welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be announcing the Valentine's Day winner for the giveaway, and then I also have another announcement to tell everybody. Today, okay, get my thoughts here. The winner of the giveaway is Kim Baskino. I don't know how to say your last name. You've been a subscriber of my channel for a long time. I'll put your name right here when I edit, because, yeah. Anyways, so that's the winner of the giveaway. I will contact you sometime today. This video will probably go up tomorrow just because I have to edit it and everything else, even though I said I would announce the giveaway winner on Valentine's Day. But you will understand why it's going up tomorrow when I explain and the next announcement. But I will contact the winner and I will send it off on Friday because that's when I will be able to send it off. Okay, so anyways, second announcement. Yeah, I found out some news. If you're on my Facebook page, personal Facebook page, you already know. If you don't, it's because I have not announced it on any other social media. I am pregnant. I am about, well, tomorrow will make me 6 weeks pregnant. I'm not that far along, but I'm farther along than, well, I'm about 6 weeks. So anyways, it's not planned, that's for sure. It was a little bit of a shock. I wasn't really, I was feeling kind of weird, but not weird, but I was feeling kind of off, but I mean, I got off birth control about 1.5 years ago and I was having regular periods and all that stuff. And I had one in January, so I was just waiting for the one for February, and I actually tested before I was actually passed because my chest was hurting really bad and I was just thinking it was like being ready for my period, but I was just like, I'm just gonna test because I just want to make sure. I tested and yeah, it was very dark. It was 2 lines and it was very dark, and I didn't even tell my husband I was doing it because I just was just doing it to be precautious and to be vigilant about making sure I wasn't pregnant. But I was. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know we have one child. We have one boy. He's 6 years old and he is special needs, and so it's kind of why we haven't had any other kids, because it's been a long haul to get him diagnosed and everything else like that. We had planned on having one other one, but we were hoping to be in a house, but yeah, that didn't happen. We're still in our apartment, which we might be moving. We are going to be moving in August. Yeah, so I'm going to be big time pregnant and moving, so that'll be interesting. So my best friend wants me to try to do weekly updates. I will try. I should have been on here last week, but honestly I've just been really tired. I don't remember my first trimester with my son because I did not find out I was pregnant until I was almost 8 or 9, maybe almost 10 weeks pregnant with my son the first time. So I don't remember all these things. I don't remember being extremely tired. I don't remember my boobs hurting this bad. I feel like there are sandbags that are just gonna fall off my chest. And I do remember the morning sickness. I was very, very sick until I was till the 6 months pregnant with my son. And excuse my mess behind me, I have been very tired, so I just haven't had a chance to clean my house. Honestly, it's just been trying to take one day at a time and just feel the best I can, and I'm just really tired. It's really, really, like, I just don't remember being this tired. And my boobs hurting this bad. I seriously think my boobs are just gonna fall off. They're already busting out of my new bras I just got. So yeah, I'm probably going to have to buy new bras because I went up to a size G when I was nursing my son. So yeah, I'm probably going to have new bras. Probably 2 times new bras. Yeah, that should be interesting. So I might vlog a little bit more. I will try to do a video every week. I can't guarantee it depending on how sick I get. At this point right now, I am very tired. My chest is hurting. I'm having some other digestive issues like constipation and those kinds of things like that, like you want to know. But heartburn occasionally and just very, very food aversions. Like, it's not that I'm sick that bad. Like, I do wake up and I'm kind of nauseous, but it's more like I don't want to eat food. There are times when I want certain things, like I want like French fries, things that are not that healthy for you. I did give up caffeine. I did give up sleeping stuff because I used to take things to sleep. So my sleep has really just been off the charts. Like for a while I was waking up about 2 o'clock in the morning, and then I would go back to sleep at like 5, and then I'd have to wake up at 6. Lavender oil has helped. I splash it all over my bed like it's some kind of ritual, and I somewhat sleep better. Last night I slept okay. I slept better than I had in a while. Anyways, guys, so that's 2 announcements. That's 2 announcements in one video. The giveaway winner and surprise, you know. So anyways, I am excited. You know, I know I seem kind of like, but it's just because it's how I feel. I feel kind of just blah, and I'm not trying to be like negative or down about the pregnancy. I am happy about it. I wanted to get pregnant eventually. I just didn't know it was going to be in this year. I'm turning 30 in June, so you know, it was a little bit of a shocker. I wanted to get pregnant before I was 30, but I didn't actually know that that was going to happen. I had been praying about it and taking it before the Lord, and you know, saying, you know, it's up to God, because you know, it's not up to me. And I had, like I said, I had gotten off birth control for a year and a half because I didn't want to be on that anymore. It would have done some stuff to my body, and I had actually lost like over 10 pounds already, you know, with eating better and getting off birth control and stuff like that. So I may even lose more weight, because when I was pregnant with Dustin, I was throwing up for 6 months. So yeah, I might even lose more weight, which is probably better for me because I am in an unhealthy weight right now. I was not very happy with my weight and being pregnant. But the doctor did say I was okay and that everything was healthy, because I had just gotten my women's checkup and all of that stuff done, checked my thyroid, my blood work. I was healthy. It was just that she said I needed to lose weight because it was affecting my period, so I didn't think I could really officially get pregnant because of my period being kind of whacked up. But honestly, that was not right. I was wrong about that. Anyways, I could probably go talking on for a while, but I don't have a lot of time because I do have to go and do stuff. But like I said, I will try to get this video up today or tomorrow, and I will notify the winner. Just please be patient with me at this point right now, because of the fact that I am pregnant, and it's just going to be interesting to see how I feel in these next few weeks. I didn't feel sick with Dustin really bad until I was about 8 weeks. That's how I knew I was pregnant. I am just going to be 6 weeks on Thursday, so that's still 2 weeks away, so I will try to update you every week, but I can't guarantee it. It may be every other week, depending on how I feel, like I said. So anyways, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.